As you know, in the last lesson, we learned about fractions. What is it exactly? In this lesson, we're completing in fractions. Good morning. We're with Anas in the learning lab. As you see here, we're completing in the lesson fractions. We're learning how to add fractions with like denominators and also unlike denominators. To recap, in the last lesson, we learned what is fractions. So a fraction is a part of a whole. So if this rectangle in front of us, a whole, so the shaded part will be a part of a whole. So the top number will be 1 and the bottom number will be 3. Let's start in adding fractions. So here we have 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. As you see, all of the denominators are the same, like denominators. So in this case, we just add the numerator, the top number. So 1 plus 2 will give us 3. So our answer will be 3 over 5. Let's have another example. 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. So as you know, we add the numerators, and we leave the denominators. So 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5. So our answer will be 5 over 6, as you see here. Let's go to unlike denominators. As you see here, the denominators are different, 3 and 12. So our first step is to find a common multiple. So the multiples of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Until here is enough. For 12, 14, and 36. So we find a common multiple, which is 12. So leave the right 12 as it is. But we need to change the 3 to a 12 so we could add them, as you do in the like denominators. So we need to ask ourselves, how did we reach 12 in the multiples of 3? Let's count with each other. 3 is a 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, and 12 is 4. So we need to multiply 3 by 4 to reach 12. So 3 times 4 will equal 12. And you need to remember, everything we do to the bottom number, we need to do also to the top number. So we will also multiply 1 by 4, which will give us 1. So our answer will be 1 over 12 plus 5 over 12. So 1 plus 5 will be 6, and we leave the denominators as it is. No, wait! 1 times 4 is 4. No way. So it will be 4. It's a 4. So it will be 4/12 plus 5/12. So our answer will be 9/12. Imagine Anis is not good at maths. That is really weird. As you see here, 9/12. And yeah, sorry for the mistake. I'm sure you noticed. Let's have another example. Here's 3/6 plus 1/2. So firstly, we find the multiples of 6 and the multiples of 2. So 2 times 3 will equal to 6. So we times 2 by 3, which will give us 6. And we also time our 1 by 3. Because, as you know, everything we do to the bottom, we do also to the top. So 1 times 3 will be 3, not 1. Okay, so it will be 3/6 plus 3/6. We just add the numerator. So 3 plus 3 will give us 6, and we leave the denominator. So our answer will be 6/6. Yeah. But if you see how 6/6 looks, we will realize that it's a one whole, because all of the parts are shaded. So our answer will be one whole. Good, huh? And it's the end of our video. I hope it's better than the last video. I think so. What do you think? If you think it's good, it's enough to think it's good. Bye. I just realized now, when I was saying the multiples of 6, I said 6, 12, 14 instead of 24. But I actually wrote it 24. They said it 14. Weird. It was just a mistake. It was nothing.